The MSc in Autonomous Robotics combines theory with hands-on experience in autonomous systems. This MSc is all about creating robots that can operate on their own in the real world. You'll combine research, practical training, and industry experience to build the skills that drive innovation in robotics. The MSc runs across 3 terms, combining core modules, a hands-on group project, and a final research dissertation. You'll build strong foundations in robotics, explore advanced topics like machine learning and autonomous systems, and apply your skills through real research and project work. As a student, you'll have access to Oxford's world-class resources, from the Bodleian libraries and cutting-edge IT services to dedicated robotics labs and high-spec computing facilities. You'll work closely with expert supervisors and be assessed through projects, exams, and a final dissertation that prepares you for research or industry. Join us and build the robots that change the world.